Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share your iPhone 13, iPhone 14 or iPhone 15 camera as a webcam on the MacBook or for the Mac computer. So first, we need to swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then tap on settings. Now in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, go down and tap on AirPlay and handoff. Now we go down to the bottom and tap on continuity camera. Tap on that toggle button to switch it on. And it says here, use your iPhone as a webcam on your Mac when both devices are near each other. Okay, here on my MacBook, I'm going to open up Photo Booth, or you can open up FaceTime. So whatever that can open up, whichever app that can open up the camera. I'm going to open up Photo Booth right here. And from here, you can see if I want to use the iPhone camera as a webcam, then I would click on the camera menu up here, right here. So I'm just going to move my camera up a little bit. So up here in camera, you click on camera, and then you choose your iPhone camera as a webcam. Now you can see when I click on camera here, it does not show iPhone. This is because the operating system on the Mac is too old, so make sure that your Mac OS is up to date. At the moment, my version is only version 12.6.8. You need to run at least Mac OS Ventura, so that is version 13 and up. If you're running on an older version, it will not work. So if you do not see your iPhone camera appears in this camera page, then that means you might need to update your Mac OS, or you might need a newer hardware. And that's it. If you are using FaceTime, then in FaceTime there is a video menu item. You need to click on the video to switch over your camera. And that's it. And that is how you can set your iPhone camera as a webcam for your MacBook or your Mac computer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.